Yeah. You're very feisty.
And Mika's gonna be like, what happened?
Aren't you really a polar bear?
I have so many cute pictures of her. Like last night, her and Derek fell asleep on the couch and her tongue was sticking out.
I know. That picture was so... Oh, hello. Hello, little olive girl. You can remember Tug of War with Fred? Oh.
Good girl, Olive. Olive probably loves this because she misses her brothers and sisters.
I know.
Or her sister. She had all 4 sisters.
Mika, don't triumph so much over her. Come on.
They're playing so good.
Yay! Do you see how Mika like goes backwards because she's delicate with her?
Mika's being so gentle, even when she's like nibbling.
Whoa, Mika.
She's like shot over. Do you like her collar?
She's like, good. Look at this.
See those paws?
Yes.